So I am headed out for a dive today. We're going diving with Dive Kauai, and I know that we're going to go to the Sheraton Caverns, and I thought you might want to come along. Beneath the sunny waters off Poipu lies one of Kauai's signature dive sites, Sheraton Caverns. Today we're headed on a 2-tank dive to explore lava tubes, archways, and the resident sea turtles that make this spot unforgettable. Sheraton Caverns isn't a cavern in the cave diving sense. It's actually a collapsed lava tube system created by ancient volcanic flows. Over time, the ceiling fell in, leaving a network of wide, light-filled rooms, swim-throughs, and caverns where sunlight streams through the openings and fish swirl in every direction. While an advanced certification is recommended, the depths range from 30 to 60 feet, and open water divers are able to visit. I think some shops will even let you do a Discover Scuba dive at Sheraton Caverns. I met Logan at the Kukui'ula Harbor at noon on Friday for an afternoon dive trip. The water temp was 79 Fahrenheit or about 26 Celsius, and we had pretty good visibility for our dives. When we arrived, there was another group moored, so we did wait briefly to try to time our visit so we weren't all crowding the caverns at the same time. Once it was time, we descended on the mooring line and within a few minutes spotted turtles swimming nearby. Logan has a really great eye, and we saw 3 octopus, some nudibranch, and colorful fish. Hawaiian green sea turtles are protected, and I feel like they know it at Sheraton Caverns. They were all around us and completely at ease with the number of divers in their space. The highlight is weaving through the lava rooms. Light filters through cracks above, creating shafts of blue that feel almost cathedral-like. Logan led us slowly so we can watch schools of blue-striped snapper and the occasional sleeping turtle tucked into the rocks. Having a flashlight was super helpful because it does get darker inside the lava tubes. From graceful turtles to dramatic lava formations, Sheraton Caverns showcases the South Shore's underwater beauty in a single dive. Logan has such a good eye, so I felt like it really made the trip. He was able to find like a lot of little critters. If you are a certified diver, I recommend it. I think that you should go seek them out and enjoy the visit to Sheraton Caverns. It's definitely worth visiting.